Our fully automated video upload turns any image, print, or packaging into a virtual video display in minutes. Audiences can scan your packaging or ads to view your experiences, and using the Reality Browser's ground plane recognition, they can place and size them anywhere in their environment.
Here's the 4 primary elements. These 2 are required, your target image and your video. These are optional, and we're going to go ahead and just go through the creation process to show how quickly you can create AR video. And so we're just going to give it a name, Big Buck Bunny. We're going to take our target image and drag it into the slot. And we're going to select video from the list. We'll take our video, drag that into the slot, continue to the last step, and we'll go ahead and add our profile image, and we'll add our web link. And we'll just go ahead and link to our tutorials. We'll give it a category, say movie trailer. The video is going to upload. It's going to prepare all of the augmented reality code in the background automatically. And so now it's going to transcode the video, prepare it for augmented reality display within the Reality Browser. And now that's done, we can push it to the cloud. And we're done. It's now live and ready to go. Here's your deep link, which you can give to your webmaster, and they'll integrate that into your mobile website. And this image, you can click on it to show it full size, and we'll take a look at that in the Reality Browser. And so now viewing that image in AR Cloud Scan anywhere in the world will instantly display your video. And so once the image is scanned, it's stored within the Reality Browser so that the user can then switch over to ground plane. And we'll be taking a look at that in just a second when we look at the deep links. And so when we take a look at deep links, we can work those into our mobile websites or e-commerce sites so that it'll open the Reality Browser, load that clip, and allow the user to place that into their environment and size it up to whatever size that they prefer. And so you can update your videos at any time in about a minute. And that allows you to turn your experience or your target image into the hub of basically a video broadcast channel. And so AR video is super simple, anyone can do it. And we're going to take a look now at some of the capabilities that extend in the Reality Browser for 3D content.
Our upload support for 3D asset bundles saved in Unity software brings animators, CAD designers, and creative artists a pathway to create compelling interactive augmented reality, all without the need to know or write code. What if augmented reality was as easy as an upload, yet still allowed creators to captivate audiences with the interactive engagement capabilities of custom augmented reality applications? The ARConnex platform brings this level of augmented reality engagement to the non-programming video and 3D artists of the world. This provides a clear path for augmented reality marketing, training, and brand engagement, while opening a large community of creative resources.